Hang on. Which way are we going in? There's an opening up there. You see that?
Huh? A train used to go through here.
A train used to go through there? Explains the tracks.
Hey, dude. We just try to climb under this. Why don't you just unravel this? And then we can slowly just, you can straight up climb under that. You can straight up climb it.
Okay. Careful, bro. Huh? So you're just gonna pee inside?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't show the audience your dick.
Hi, OnlyFans.
Make a membership for that one video.
Yeah. The one video that required a membership. Oh, and no, I'll just get your ass banned. I'll just get your ass banned. And if you know you try to create a new account, you're gonna get rebanned.
James, let's go around. Let's go around. You can go in.
Around. We stole your some money.
You're the reckless one, and I'm the safe one.
Never. No, never. You're the scared one.
The scared one is very true. Go on, bird, sit on that. Stab your feet.
Dude, you notice how often birds sit on cactuses?
How often?
Quite often. and honestly, they probably live here enough. I mean, look at them. And he's left here enough not to sit directly on barbed wire.
Yep.
Yeah, if you just shove his face through it.
So you said there was a place that could lead us directly to the roof?
Yes.
All right, I want to do that.
Fine. We have to go the long way. This is where you want to go.
I just want to go in now. There's an opening over there, right?
No, that's not opening. Yes, there is a gate, but that's not open. There's no opening there.
All right.
Actually, just how loud are YouTubers when they're doing these vlogging channels? Because as I'm just speaking normal, you cannot hear my.
Like, they have to be super loud. And you wonder why I talk so loud all the time.
Yeah. You have to have YouTube voice on.
Mm-hmm. No, that's not that outside voice. That's the YouTube voice.
God. And then how horrendous is your outside voice?
I don't know.
Look at that backyard. Oh, look at that ditch. Oh, look, the two little stairs. The two